What's up, folks? Cap Schultz here, Twist Palm Salty Adventures. Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to make a Wahoo Ceviche recipe. A couple weeks ago you might have seen some posts where I posted a big 59-inch Wahoo that we slammed out here in Perdido Key. So now we are taking it to the table and I'm going to show you a quick ceviche recipe that is going to knock your socks off. Also, we're going to probably sashimi a little bit of this and do a little bit of wasabi and soy to enjoy prior to our dinner this evening. However, I'm going to get down to it and show you all the ingredients and how simple a ceviche can be. Hello folks, I just wanted to share with you I'm drinking a Florida brew from Cigar City, a Maduro Brown. Awesome way to top off your meal. Look it up, it's a great beer. All right, what we have here is some beautiful Wahoo fillets from Wahoo we caught a couple weeks ago. A little bit of Slap Your Mama, a little bit of black pepper grinder, some garlic powder, a little bit of sea salt, cilantro, a lemon, an orange, a red bell pepper, a grapefruit, red onion, a couple jalapenos, and a couple limes. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to juice all our citrus into a bowl. Once we get all them juiced up, we're going to just throw those out. We might zest a little bit of peel in the ceviche to give it a little bit more flavor. We're going to dice up the onion, the peppers, and the cilantro. And then we're going to chop in small bite-sized pieces the Wahoo, and as I said, I'm going to sashimi a little bit of it so that we can have some sashimi with some wasabi soy this evening as well. I'm going to go ahead and cut up everything, get everything prepped, and then when we mix it all together, I'll show you the end result. One pointer I like to do with all my citrus before cutting it open and juicing it, I like to roll it. Get them juices nice and broken down inside the peel, and then when you open it up and go to squeeze it, a lot of them juices are just going to flow right out. So all you're going to do is squeeze it. Squeeze all them juices out. If you'll notice, got a lot of seeds. I like to pick those out of the juices. Nobody wants to choke on a lemon seed or an orange seed. So you just simply scoop them out. That's why I do it all in a separate bowl and clean everything up first. And you'll notice there's pulp in there. That's okay. That just gives it a little bit of extra flavor in your ceviche. No worries. So with the red bell pepper, the green onion, and the jalapenos, we're going to just cube up the pieces, dice them up nice and fine. Some people like them a little smaller. I like my ceviche a little bit chunkier, so I keep them, about bite-sized pieces. I use the red bell pepper for flavor and color. Makes your ceviche a little bit more colorful. Obviously, the jalapeno for a little bit of heat. The red onion for flavor. We're going to dice everything up to include the fish fillets in a similar manner, and then we're going to mix it all together. What we want to do is just take all these off. All these leafy parts off, and then we're going to chop them up real finely to put in the ceviche. I'll show you when we're complete. Now it's all off sprigs. We just simply dice it up. So all the ingredients are prepped. We've got the citrus juice, we've got the onions, the cilantro, red bell pepper, and jalapeno. All we have left is to dice up the fish, mix it all together with about a tablespoon of garlic, some black pepper, some Slap Your Mama, salt to taste, mix it all together, let it sit 15-20 minutes. The citrus will cook the fish and it'll stay preserved for several days to enjoy. Slap it together with a few tortilla chips and you'll love it. Let me throw this all together and we will show you the final product. So as you can see, I chopped all the fish nuggets up, the Wahoo up, and I poured it, actually put the Wahoo in the citrus juice and let it cook into the juice a little bit while I was cutting up my sashimi plate. We're gonna have some ceviche with fresh sashimi on tortilla chips for dinner tonight. So now I'm ready to dump this mixture in with all the other ingredients, add a little bit of spice. So there you have it, folks. My Wahoo Ceviche topped on some tortilla chips, some Wahoo sashimi with a wasabi soy mixture drizzled over the top with a nice Maduro brown ale. You can't get no better than that. Until next time, Captain Schultz, Twisted Palm Salty Adventures. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like button, hit that follow button.